Love Amelia is here with our good friend Jacques Pépin and Gaston.
And Gaston.
We're so
back.
good to see you.
It's nice to escape Connecticut
Yeah.
this time of the year. I'm glad to be back here. And Gaston is glad too, isn't it? Okay, good.
Well, we are so happy you're going to be appearing at the Amelia Island Book
Yeah,
Festival
we are.
again this year.
Yeah.
You will be able to come on February 16th to the Authors Expo, and Chef Pépin will be there at 10 o'clock, and he has some of his books here that he will be signing.
A couple of new books. I have Poulet and Legumes, the chicken and vegetable, favorite recipe of mine. And this is different. It is a book of memory. 53 years of marriage. I have 10 books at home which record what we've had for the last 50 years, like I can tell you what Claudine asked for her second birthday. So I do those menus like this, and so I show people, and here I have draw a series of my drawing menus, so people to record their own memory and all that. So it's a great thing for
Beautiful.
it's a bit different.
It's a gorgeous book, so you can write down the menus of your own special meals.
Yeah,
and this
if
is
you have a
with your
special
art.
one, you take the label, you stick it in there, you even put the music. And even if you go to a great restaurant, you take the book with you, you write the menu there, and ask the chef to sign it.
And then you
It's
have
a question of memory.
an amazing souvenir. So
Exactly.
we hope that you will come out to the Book Expo and see Jacques Pépin, pick up this book. Oh, and by the way, I heard that somebody famous really liked this book.
My wife. Ah.
In addition to your famous wife,
Yeah, I think
another
that.
famous lady.
Yeah, Oprah took it for her Christmas list, so it did help to sell.
favorite thing.
I tell you.
All right.
I'll drink to you. Thank you for having me back.